So today we're heading out to the range and going to be getting a lot video and pictures and stuff for our new product, the Sentry Strap, which is going to be coming out on August 30th. So you guys are going to be seeing just a little bit of the product. Maybe I'm going to try not to show too much of the product because I want to keep it a surprise. Yeah, we're going to be doing stuff with Greg Hammer 556. That's what he goes by on the gram. And then Jared with TA Targets is also coming out, driving all 6 hours to come and film with us because he has a new product that he's also planning on launching on Labor Day weekend as well. So we're going to be doing half a day filming for us and half a day filming for Jared. So it is forecasting some rain, pretty good chance of rain all day, but we'll see. The weather people don't really know what they're talking about most of the time. So fingers crossed, and I'm looking forward to this. Alright, we're out here at the range starting to get set up. We've got all the cool cats out here. We got the Ball Dusty, we got Jared TA Targets, we got Mr. Hammer 556, and we got Rick over here with Achilles Tactics, and Paul Blackirongunner I think is taking a leak in front of his truck. So we're getting ready to do some Sentry Strap stuff.
Nice. We've got 2 gimbals, fancy cameras, got Dusty's body.
That's all we needed.
All we needed was Dusty's body.
You grab it, you still get all your controls, it's still charged.
So regal.
With the wrap.
Alright, so we finished recording everything we need to record between me and Jared, so now we're just out here shooting around. Jared brought some cool guns. Everybody brought some cool different guns, so we're just taking time doing that. Alright, we just finished up at the range. We're all gonna head over to local establishment and get some stuff to eat and hang out. Alright, it's time to eat. We're at Panini's.
Who we got here?
What up?
Oh.
Last video on it.
Super excited. Get these NeoMags for triple out design. These are heading out to the Gathering, big knife show next weekend. The logo and the topo pattern. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. We kept it short and sweet for you. Make sure that you watch out this Friday, August 30th, for our new product coming out. We're really excited to get this out to you. You guys have an awesome week.
And we're taking a video.